Good morning, students of class 9. In this period of mathematics, let us discuss about the project work. At the cover page, you write this form at the cover page of your file. Make one arc. There you write the name of the school. At the top, you make the logo of your school. Then you write just below of this mathematics project in capital letters. Mathematics project. Below of that, you write your name, then class, roll number, section, and year. Year means you write the session, that is 2020 to 21. This should be handwritten, and writing on the plain sheet you paste at the cover file, at the top of the cover file. After the cover page, in page number 1, you write the acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, you mention all the sentences. I would like to thank Mr. Here you write the name of your subject teacher for his valuable guidance and help. He clarified all my queries about the project, without which I would not have been able to complete the project. I would also like to thank my family for providing all necessary materials and my friends for helping me with this project. This acknowledgement you write just after the cover page, that should be page number 1. In page number 2, you will write the contents. For the contents, you will make this type of table. In the first column, you write serial number. In the second column, you write the topic and refer each topic to the page number that you have marked inside your project file. Suppose raw data, as you have prepared the raw data, it may take 1 page. Then this you write page number 3. Here you can write page number 3. Table inclusive intervals with frequency distribution, it may take 1 page. You write page number 4. Table of exclusive class intervals with frequency distribution with class mark, here maybe page number 5. Calculation of mean, it may take 1 page, so you mark here page number 6. And few more topics are left that I am going to show in the next table. That last table is continue here. In the same table, you will refer to these topics to the serial number, and these topics, as last topic was calculation of mean, then again you start from calculation of median. For that, page number 7, histogram, that you have to draw on the plain sheet using a scale, proper scale that will be instructed in the explanation of the topic. Then for that you use page number 8, frequency polygon using histogram. You draw this in page number 9, frequency polygon without histogram. You draw it in page number 10. One more topic is left, that is bibliography. Just I want to show this bibliography. Here at the top I am writing bibliography. That for that you will write in page number 11. This should come here, but that will not be visible if write in the table. So I wrote it separately. For bibliography you will use page number 11. What is this bibliography? Bibliography, in this page you will write the name of sources from where you have got all these ideas or knowledge to prepare your project work. Suppose calculation of median, you refer the chapter, name of the chapter of your textbook from where you have learned to prepare the median. About histogram, from which chapter you have learned to prepare the histogram, name that chapter. Frequency polygon using histogram, for that also you name the chapter, and for the last also the same thing, means you will write the sources for these topics from where have you got the idea to prepare the project file. Now let us come to our topic, that is data and its graphical representation. So name of the topic you write at the cover page also, where you have written that mathematics project. Below of that you write topic dash data and its graphical representation in capital letters on the cover page of your project file. Now let us discuss about the topic. You have to collect the marks in mathematics obtained by 50 students out of 100 marks as raw data. Then one instruction is there, the lowest score should be equal to 34 and the highest score should be equal to 99. So this data is totally imaginary. You are not going to ask the students how much have you got marks in mathematics the last examination. So you have to imagine the marks in mathematics of 50 students, but you will take care your lowest marks should be 34 and the highest 99. Roman number 2, in the next page, prepare the inclusive class intervals using the width of each class interval 10 with frequency distribution. So this raw data, as you have collected here, this raw data should be written in inclusive class intervals, and for each inclusive class intervals you will use width equal to 10. Example I have given, suppose your lowest marks is 34, so you will start from here 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70 and so on. Roman number 3, now change those inclusive class intervals, to the exclusive class intervals in the same table. You are using the same table. You know the rule. What is the rule to change inclusive class intervals into exclusive class intervals? Follow that rule to change all these inclusive class intervals to exclusive class intervals, and prepare the class mark for each exclusive class intervals. So Roman number 2, Roman number 3, Roman number 4, these 3 points should be done in the same page and in the same table. First, in the first column you will prepare the inclusive class interval. Second column you prepare exclusive class intervals, and in the third column you write the frequency, and in a fourth column you prepare the class mark. You know all these processes how to prepare. Here you will write that I could not write the Roman numbers, that was continued of the first part. After preparing that table of inclusive class intervals, exclusive class intervals, frequency distribution, and class mark, in the next page you will find the mean of your raw data. After that, in the next page you will find the median, this also using your raw data. Then in the next page you will prepare the histogram. After that, frequency polygon using histogram, and after that frequency polygon without using histogram. In 3 different pages you will use one page for each topic, that is histogram, frequency polygon using histogram, and frequency polygon without using histogram. So you are using 3 pages for this. This drawing should be done on your white sheet, that is not ruled, and you will use ruler and pencil. After that you are allowed to decorate it in different colors. For scale, I have given instruction. Use 2 cm equal to 10 units, that should be marks on x-axis, and 2 cm equal to 5 units, this is number of students on y-axis. So on x-axis you will show the marks 10 units, and on y-axis you will show the number of students using 2 cm equal to 5 units. After that, one more instruction is that you will not use the graph sheet, you will use the plain sheet, that is not ruled. And at first use that pencil and your ruler, and after that preparing all these things you can decorate that. But this is compulsory to follow, this scale is compulsory to follow. And after that you will write the bibliography. So this was the explanation of this mathematics project, that was data and its graphical representation. Last date that is last date is 7th September to submit the project files.